Hello. I forgot to press record. We're 10 minutes into the session. All we've done is just rally lower on the first two candles, taken out all the bearish draws if I wanted to look for continuations towards there, which isn't ideal. And now we are just, looks like we're consolidating on the 1 minute on both. Yeah. I mean, next draw on ES would be this 15-minute intermediate. 5-minute opening in 40 seconds. So this could either send us lower. I mean, this doesn't really look like a protected low at the moment, so I wouldn't mind that. Get rid of all this malarkey. Mark out the 5-minute. Wouldn't really like, I'd prefer for it to short here. I'm still not loving it, to be fair. Oh, we have taken out all the draws. This looks extremely low resistance. We've added to the liquidity. We've got relatively equal lows. There is an S&T here. But again, I wouldn't, 30-second here, but I would not long that. No, not in 30-second. Leave that. Leave that. I'm actually going to remark this 15-minute because got to remember this looks like more high resistance, so I'm not really keen to short or long here for that matter. This looks a bit poo. I'll call that 5-minute. We have come into the 5-minute on the yes. Nowhere near on XG. I haven't even taken out this high, so I'm really not bothered by this. We're just consolidation right now. Like if we inverse this 15-minute, I can see us trading lower if we hold it up. So we've got about 3 minutes to come decide if I'm fine to go lower here or not. So I just need to check something. There's no S&T here. Oh, there is. No, not really actually. Subtle S&T here. Looks like we might be expecting this 15-minute. If so, this is more high resistance. Let's go review. Do 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 do. Oh, this looks horrible, isn't it? I mean, some people get trapped in here. If this goes up, we get short out of it. People will short. I will not because we're reacting out this 15-minute. We've actually swept liquidity and we're reacting off it. Why would I put a trade on going back down to this point? I wouldn't. And yes, it's the same. Maybe if we inversed, we have inversed the 5-minute, I guess. But like high time frame holds more power, respecting the 30-minute and the hourly. Yeah, it doesn't look like a trade. I'm going to take it. I'd rather us come up and invert this 5 minutes, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not loving the draw liquidity here, so I'm going to stay out of the short. There is a tiny 30-second IFVG, which we closed over. Some people have shorted that like this, but hopefully instantly gets stopped out because it's a rubbish short. Absolutely rubbish. Maybe not. Maybe it runs the whole way. Honestly, I could have taken that short a few months ago because we do have accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but we just don't have narrative really because we've held up in the 15 minute. And now I've got a rejection block here coming into. I'm not confident about shorts here at all. And often when a candle wicks like that, like that, often when a candle wicks down like this at 2:45, it's usually the bottom wick of this 15. I guess we have a super up here as well, taking out this low. This high, sorry. But yeah, I wouldn't short that, especially because we just had a trade that failed 2 seconds before. Looks like reacting off 50% of this wick. Honestly, a long, if he inverts this gap, would be nice, but I don't have the bollocks for that. I haven't back tested rejection blocks too much, so I wouldn't take a trade off that, I don't think. This is more likely to play out than the other one there. Do, do. As inverse. Yeah. Okay. Bare notifications from TradingView. Oh, 80 quid just gone. That hurts. I reckon Blake might like this trade, you know. This flow looks protected now. Um, this is more likely for me to work out. So let's see. Break even here. Yes, it's pumping. I thought I'm going to get the 5 minute on ES. And we've just gone straight to my TP. One NQ, this will be break even now. Oh, looks like I should trade rejection blocks, guys. Jesus. That's nice. Blake, Blake could have taken that. I'm not sure. She counted that perfectly though. Oh my god, it's running. Yeah, I'm just not confident to take those kind of trades live yet. If we keep seeing it work out, and we're live, then maybe we do. Okay, this is now what? Not taken 9:30, which is weird. So I wouldn't love to short this yet. I think this short's rubbish. Oh, I know in the 5 minute, I don't need to do that. This short here is a pan trade. This low looks protected because 15 minute came up projection wick. Anything I would like us to come down, maybe generate some more liquidity, then hit 15 minute, then we come down. I'm not knowing this. Primarily because ES is still not taking that. Maybe if it took that, then we could have a really strong S&T. But I'm not bothered. As of right now. Because we'll be shorting into the 15 minute. I need to see this get disrespected before we go short. Disrespected. So literally holding up at a 30 minute, hourly, 2 hourly. In equilibrium of the range, so it'll be stupid to short from here. We could just shop up, I can't lie. I can't see us expanding massively today. Could just be a chop fest. Also, would take this if I was. Or would you still want to take this? Might work out, might not. Not really bothered. Have low resistance here. Came up into a 5 minute that wasn't sponsored. On an inversion perhaps. But yes, it's just inverses 5 minute. Not looking at. Not looking to go long. Howie just failed in this 30-second trade here. We even failed it here to go lower. But S&T at the low, this low looks protected. Oh, this 5 minute long has the fattest stop loss of all time. I'm not interested in taking this. It's just too big. This has taken this. We're going to 30 minute. I honestly think we might come up here, come maybe down here, and then expand. So we leave you this massive rejection whip behind, which we usually come to in these circumstances. 5 minute long here, I don't want to take it. Looks like we are going to get it though. Also, we've got an S&T here. I'm not overly bullish still, so Is what it is. We don't have a 15-minute react on, so maybe. But I mean, I wouldn't know where to place my stop loss. Like, also, it's one of those ones where ES is already booming. If I went to 1-to-1 here, if it closed perfectly, my stop would be down here, and I can see us coming down here still. This is better for a short. Like, we have low resistance liquidity. Like, maybe something like that. 1-to-1, break even at this internal low. This looks a bit nicer just because we have that strong S&T now. If we just disrespect this high again, I'm not bothered. We've got a 5-minute to target now on ES. So we can get out then as well. Highest time frame will be a 2-minute. So I'm just not keen about this either. Yeah, we're just taking that high again. Right, I'm taking a 5-minute long now. Is it worth it? No. Honestly, I think this was the play. This 30-second down here. An S&T here. Yeah, we're looking very bullish here now. But still, like, it's nothing really to target. If we chop down now, come into this 5-minute gap, then we can take a long. That would be really nice. That's what I'm hoping for. We can generate some liquidity here. Please don't take this high. Obviously, this high will be my break even for the 5-minute anyway. Looks like we're going to take it, unfortunately. Ooh. Got an S&T there, we got. Wow, that's a good liquidity point as well. Yeah, nothing that really is too textbook here. So we're just gonna sit on our hands and do nothing. Shame we couldn't generate some liquidity there and come back up. Yeah, I think longs would be the play from here. If it looked like this on a 1-minute chart, you think, wow, we've come into this really good zone. We've hit a rejection block. We've come up right now. But this would be your break even. and we've been broken even already before taking the trade. And then you can target this external high here. However, I don't want to do that. What was data high then? There. Oh, let's go around through. Wait, there is news at 3, isn't there? Yes. Fed Chairman Designate Walsh testifies. Who the bloody hell is that guy? Who is he? Yeah, if you did this long now, your stop loss would be 60 points, 70 points at the minimum. So there's a Donny speaking right now. Brr. Yo, is anyone watching Invincible? Season finale's coming out tomorrow, and I'm freaking excited for it. So good. I've been versus 5, then we can take a 5-minute continuation, I reckon. So I had a pullback. So all these gaps are sponsored, which is nice. Brr. I knew that'd be like a day. Oh, should we see if Blake took that bloody rejection block? He could have. Maybe not, maybe not. Also, anyone just hate that guy called Trading Louis. He is the most jarring guy I've ever met in my life. Oh, what are we gonna do here? I reckon we cut down to these on this breaker block almost. Then maybe expand higher. This looks like a propulsion um, block, so I'm not a propulsion gap, so I don't think we're going to come down to this 5-minute. I wouldn't expect it. So hopefully we create a new 5-minute here. But if we come down to it, we can expand out of and then maybe aim for a 1-to-1 with its external high. But it is in a 5-minute, but I don't expect all this bullishness to be stopped by a puny 5-minute. Just the same as the fact that if this was a 1-minute trade and this was a puny 1-minute, I would not expect us to completely reverse all the way down here. I expect us to hold it up. I expect it to hold it up for a bit, maybe. But yeah, I'm good with this. This 5-minute is a bit worse because it's quite big. In a 5-minute on ES. Kind of want to see us resweep that. That 30 minutes got to run through as well, so I can delete that. This is not a valid point where liquidity wants to reverse from, so we don't care about it. So inverse that. Let's put that green. RFG. Obviously, we'll stay here as well. Quite a 5 minute. There's no chance for 15 minutes, so we've only got 5 minutes to go off. Hopefully, we stay here for a bit. I'm not really looking for it to come down to this lower 5 minute. Yeah, I think we're going to create a 5 minute here. Let's get rid of all these stupid marks. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. S&P at the low. It's 30 minutes, got to run through. It's 5 minutes holding us up. Okay. I mean, I wish we invested 5 minutes as well, but can't get everything. Right, can we react off this fair value gap here? Or this low? One, yes. Anything to inverse here? No. 30-second, and then literally nothing to inverse the upside. Which is annoying. If we get a leg up here, then we get a leg down, then we get a stop hunt as well, that'd be more nice. Then invest the upside. I mean, hopefully we generate some liquidity here and don't take the high immediately. That would be more nice. Please. Ugh. Don't take the high. Don't take the high. Don't take the high. Generate like this. Do 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 do. And maybe at 315 we can get this inversion to the upside. Like that. That'd be nice. I don't really want to take a short here because we're so bullish. Like sometimes when you consolidate like through, you can open up high and then close low inside this gap, but we are very, very bullish at the moment, so I wouldn't really want to take a stab at a short. But we still haven't. Yeah, I'm pretty confident about us coming up here for the rest of the day. Can we generate some liquidity? Do 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 do.
I've been winding my dad.
I love steak, man. It's taken that high already. That's so jarring. Damn, girl. UK agrees smoking ban for all people born after 2008. Lol. They can't smoke cigs. So funny. maybe you could take this long and put this as a propulsion block. But I don't think I'll feel comfortable with that. Looks like it's going to play out. And that's kind of what you had to do at the time, I guess. Wow. But look at that long we marked out earlier. Oh, so we invest that 5 minute, here we have. Oh, let's get a good long, please. That looks like such a good short on the S. But then try the S, unfortunately. Maybe not. I'll lead a straight bullishness, man. Wow, wow, wow. No way. Well, that 5 minute long's looking good now. Yeah, so when we did have an opportunity here, this was a propulsion block here, so maybe that's something to work out. Like this is unlikely to get traded down into. So we can leave our stop here, which is below the breaker as well. Then target this external. Maybe that's play next time. Maybe. I'd probably want to see someone else do that before. Just swept this 15-minute intermediate. It might come into this order block, but we look so bullish right now. Oh, you have come into the order block. Oh my god. All the time. I'll just go into the Zord wall and then shoot up. Get rid of that now. 5 minute, 15 minute, no, 5 minute, 15. Yes, has held up in this 5 minute. If this is an invert right now, Looks like it's gonna. Have a super cool birthday. Oh, yeah, that's my birthday, isn't it? Oh, I'm taking some creatine. This is so difficult. Ah! I had so many nightmares last night. I dreamt I was in a horror movie. Like some guys tried to kidnap me. I think the only thing I could do to try and stop them killing me, I think they were a vampire or something. This was like a garlic pill or something. And I had two, and one was in my back pocket. I took one out, lied, said the other one was in my back pocket. He goes to my back pocket, switch it into my left hand, swallow it. He can't kill me. Tell me that's horror. Tell me that's not horror. Was it even scared, mate? I'm joking. I was. I woke up sweating. Ah, bloody hell. Keep doing the Indian accent. It's really bad. Oh, this is so jarring. But you gotta be patient. But you gotta have friends. This looks like a bit could potentially retrace, you know. Generating liquidity. Is this a 15-minute? It is. Don't know why some people put like M15 instead of 15M. It's like 15 minutes, how you say it. Why are you saying M15, bro? Stupid. Oh my god, trade that mod actually worked. What? Honestly, after we take out this high, I'm done. This is the ultimate draw. Ooh, maybe we get 15 minute. Maybe we get 15 minute. Please. Please, please, please. Come on, reject off this rejection wick. Come on. Reject off it, please. Build liquidity. And then can we long? Please, pretty please. Please, sir. Oh, we got 15 minutes to wait. I mean, there's no 5 minute we can retrace to, is there? Except for it's down here. So we are kind of rejecting this high now. I mean, oh, yes, looks discriminal. I'm just hoping it shots for a bit. I'll go on my phone and watch reels. Oh, we got a retrace. That short was kind of nice. I won't be confident though. Come on, all the way here, there. To the S. Decent little short. Like, if you had a 15 minutes target, that'd be game for me. But we don't. I know what I wanted. Like, ES had equal highs here. Like, if we got a proper SMT like this, and the ES came up to like here or something, but we don't. We just got equal highs. We would have had a high time frame and a low time frame SMT. Would have been nice. Reacting off this 30-minute rejection block. I'm just hoping we like chop up and down here, generate some liquidity. Boom. Come into here, then we can null. Yes, let's go into this 5 minute. So there is an SMT here, but I'm not particularly worried about it. Like, I wouldn't really want to take this long right here. That is like pattern trade of the century. Down, down, honey, I'm good. Probably should. Oh, the 5 minutes all the way down here. I guess you could have done on yes. Yes, this looks shit. Yes, good. Remanipulate. Okay. It's okay, I think. We shouldn't come lower than this. If we do, yeah, we don't have a lot of targets here to long, which is annoying. I still know how we looked in the ES. Yeah, that's why I didn't take that short. That's why I didn't see it, but I think that's besides the fact. because we got this quite strong move to the downside. Take a long right now, I'd kind of want to see SCISD instead of just an inversion. Don't have it. Don't even have it on 30-second. Oh, when did it come as the 5-minute on the S? Yeah, 320. Yeah. Yeah, it's long. I don't really like it. I kind of want to maybe a resweep than a CSD. That would be a bit nicer. Maybe a chop. Chop for 4 minutes, maybe. I should rather inverse it now. And then fail, and then chop. Come to this unicorn model as well. That's like a unicorn model. I haven't changed the state on 5-minute either. What are we doing, I guess? Yeah, I'm still not keen on this. It's not good enough for a long for me. Because the break-even point for me right now would be right here. And that's just a guaranteed break-even, isn't it? And you know what? ES could take it or not, maybe, I don't know. This is the long we're talking about. Also, there's no great targets as for now. So I want a better break-even point. Wow. Strong rejection there. I reckon you might be fine if you took this actually. Just don't love it. I need a bit more. It's so bearish. Um, on this leg down. And this is like a guaranteed break even for me. There's no really point taking it. In my professional opinion, because it could do this, and then you're shitting yourself. Absolutely pooing myself right now. It's going to come and manipulate you at the bottom. Oh, get high. She's a little high for me, please. Then manipulate, get an S&T. And that's a juicy trade. If you come down below the 1 minute inverse here, so I'll be pooing myself if that was me. Taking that, and I might have taken that, honestly, like months ago. I'd rather wait for good liquidity to form here now. Great liquidity is formed here, trend line and triple quadruple like equal highs. Okay, good. We've got high. We just need a low now. And we need 930 to open low and then close high. Oh, looks like it's going to be taken. We're actually off that 5 minute, yeah, rejection block, yeah. Looks like it anyway. Yes. Um, Fair play if you took that. And held. That would be scary. So now your break even's really nice. Oh, you would have got break even. Oh, it's like the smallest. No, not that I could take this. Ugh. 'There's no volatility. Longing right now. I'm gonna look at ES because if it resweeps this low inside the 15, this could be good. It's also just into the 30 minute actually. No, not just. You just don't know. No matter. We're looking for a resweep on the ES. And we can confirm this low is protected. An S&T perhaps. Other than that, nothing standing out for me. The 30 minute would look shit. Can I say we could come up here and then come down here and then go up for actual move? Because that still could happen. This is close this low. Um, it's just not great structure, really low volatility on NQ. I want to see some clear manipulation here. We should get anything. Ugh. Damn it, Blake. I mean, Patty took that short. The little neek. Was what though? 5 minute intermediate. Fair, fair. Or just, yeah, it was an unfilled 5. Damn, damn. I'm looking at the fucking charts. I do think we're going to come up here, but no entry for me. Manipulate. Yeah, that's a good trade. Oh dear. I think we missed trade of the day. The short here. 15-minute intermediate high swept. Manipulation leg up here. We stop punt this high. Get great reaction down. And we can target a 945 minute. For some reason in my mind that 5 minute was so far away. I was just waiting for a 15-minute before. Which is a bit dumb thinking about it. When was that? Yeah, it was ages away for a 15-minute. Oh no, it wasn't. Yeah, we're just straight up inversing this 15-minute on the S now. Which is not making me confident that our lungs. So we're generating liquidity. Tiny 5 minute in here. I think 3 minutes better for this. Don't I? I want to watch that back and see if I was just on my phone while that trade happened. It's likely the case. That's really good distribution. Oh well. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, what the fuck are we doing, man? Low volume. God, there's nothing, is there? That was literally only the player of the day. The only player of the day so far. Uh, Trump, what have you done? What did he do, Trump? Fuck. That was a candle, dude. Had it, partner. Had it. Oh my god, this is gonna be the most boring session of all time. Apart from when I looked at my phone and missed that trade. Annoying. Annoying. I reckon I was on my phone for like 4 minutes. One, two, three, four. Ay, caramba. This could just be short. I need to see some real manipulation here. Give me something, man. $800,000. I'm looking from my phone to the screen now. Oh, really funny, dude. Yo, we're getting some manipulation now. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, this is come again into this rejection. 30-minute. Like I said, I want it to happen. Gonna need to see a big candle up here for me to consider getting in. I mean, it's 30-second here. Took me a lot to get into this. This was a good day to high as well. Oh dear. Maybe not. When we come up fast, we usually come down fast. We have hit the 50% line. Off that now. What's it looks like we're going to get? A 1 minute or a 2 minute maybe? 1 minute. Wow, it's blasting through this. Jesus Christ. We're hitting this propulsion block. This is the last point price can reject from, in my opinion. It could be accumulation, manipulation, distribution, potentially. Look how bearish yes looks though. Yeah, looks like shorts. I'll play here. Go for it. Sip. Looks like we're in a downtrend. This high is our resistance. So long in here would be very stupid and dumb. It would be dumb. Haven't even got an S&T at the low yet. Looks like a no trade day, if I'm honest. Coming towards the end of the session anyway. Oh, No. Mr. Zinc. Oh, blimmin' heck, lad. So we did hold up in that 5 minute. Okay. Back on a short, bro. Oh, that is the longest hour and a half I've ever had. And we went on my phone to the wrong point, like an idiot. Yes, it's taking the low now. I mean, if we don't hold this gap and we don't react now, I'm finished. I'm finished. Yeah, but it's so bearish. I can't take a long. Unfortunately. Um, I don't see us retracing too far here. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't think I'm going to take a trade whatsoever. It's unfortunate. There's literally no entries in all the way up here. Let's go short though. Untold 5 here. Why would I want this? It's so pointless. Yeah, I can't lie, I'm just looking out for any shit trade I can scam on. So what I should probably do is not trade and accept the fact I missed a trade. It's okay. We'll just go on to the next one, which we will do. Okay, stopping there, getting off.